Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Czech M10, not to be confused with the M10M. I got this mask with just the bag, the mask, and two sets of filters. In other words, 4 filters, since there's 2 on each cheek. Now this is probably one of the worst gas mask designs that the Cold War did see, because we have the cheek filters. And if you're on the field, you can't change those cheek filters without getting contaminated air into your lungs, which would be a no-go, especially if you really needed to because the filters were wearing out. Now, these are basically your valve for your intake, because if you don't have these valves that go on each side, then the air will decay the filter twice as quickly, because air is coming in through here and also going out through there, which would not be good. So we got those on both sides. Now you got your voice diaphragm here and your exhale valve here. Now the exhale valve does come out, but I'm not going to do that because it's a bit of a pain to get it back in. Now I do have the outserts for these, but again, like my M74, I was being dumb and I shot it with an airsoft gun. So these are what that would look like for your ballistic lenses. Not very ballistic because a airsoft gun cracked it. But yeah, and so I also got 2 more sets of filters in this bag. Now this mask has a 6-point head harness. And the straps are actually quite good. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip these over the mask, take a look on the inside here, just like that. And looking on the mask, we have, again, big triangle lenses, your oral nasal cup. You can kind of see the filter if you dig hard enough there. Yep, there they are. It's kind of a button system, and you have to be careful when you're buying these, because that button system can be ripped. And so we're just going to put the mask on here. And the oral nasal cup, if you didn't know, helps the mask from defogging. It's just kind of a substitute from using tissue tubes, kind of like the GP5 style masks did. And now we're just going to put this on quick. Now, the bag that this comes in, there are a couple different bags for it, but this would be the one I have. This is a vinyl bag. Humongous bag, by the way. There's tons of space in the upper layer. But then there is also a bottom layer to these bags. I'm not sure what these spaces would be used for. If you know, please drop a comment below. But yeah, so that's basically the bag. Now the mask does still make an airtight seal. This was nicknamed the Bulldog mask because of its bulldog mouth-like appearance. This mask is a size 2 and was made in 1980. So very good condition. This one's a little darker. Most of them were gray, but this one's kind of a desert tan. I'm not sure if sun did that or I don't know what, because UV rays does make masks darker if you leave them out in the sun too long, or if they get exposed to the sun too long. So yeah, that's about all there is to be said about this mask. Now it does fit quite nicely, even if you have long hair. Sometimes the straps do pinch you a little bit, but that's to be expected. I bought this in the US, so it only took about a week to get here, but do expect, if you're in the US, about a month to 3 months, depending on where you buy one of these. So yeah, pretty nice bag. Can hold a lot more stuff than just the mask because of how much space there is. I just use the top layer for the mask because I'm lazy like that. And now on the bag there is a lanyard that would go around your belt, but I'm too lazy to put that on. And there is ways to adjust it. Kind of your simple, doubled up here and just single strap here. But yeah, very effective bag, not so effective mask.